Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Lomo Saltado is what's on the menu. Hello, everyone. I am bringing you in because I wanted to give you my little version of Lomo Saltado or Salteado. I forget what it's called. But anyway, I have here some steak. I didn't use beef tenderloin. I didn't use that. This is just a regular kind of steaks. I have here some bell peppers, shallots, and a little bit of vinegar. I have here some ginger, scallions. I have here a tablespoon of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce. And I have a little bit, maybe about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And here I have some broccolini. I'm gonna use it just because I have it. It doesn't really call for it, but I am gonna use it for that. And I had already seasoned my steaks because originally I was gonna put them on the grill, but I decided not to do that. So I just cut it up very in thinly slices. And now I'm gonna get ready to, I have here some avocado oil, and I'm going to add my beef to it. You got to make sure your oil is really hot so it sears the meat. It's going to cook it really fast. You don't want to overcook this kind of meat because then it'll get too tough. Okay, I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, my oil is really hot. You don't want to mess with it. Let it kind of sear a little bit. Another thing that's truly important is that you want your meat to be at room temperature. If it's not at room temperature, then you run the risk that when you put your meat in, it's going to release a lot of the moisture in the cold, and therefore you'll end up like with a soupy kind of thing, and you don't want that. You want to sear it right away because you don't want to overcook it, okay? So that's what we're doing right now. And I'll bring you back, guys. So we're back. I wanted to show you at this point if you want to turn it. You see how nice and it is? That's what you want to do. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but... And then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my bell peppers. I'm going to add my onions first because my onion have a little bit of... distilled vinegar, white distilled vinegar. So there we go. See, I'm going to kind of move it around a little bit. And you see I don't have a lot of moisture in there, and you don't want that either. That's why your meat needs to be at room temperature, because if it's not, then you end up with a lot of liquid and your meat ends up getting tough before it gets that color that we're looking for, that camera. Oh my God. Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on. Now we're going to throw our bell peppers. And we're just going to toss them around because you don't want them fully cooked. I'm just going to do this. To it, I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. Like I said before, give me a minute and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I added my sauce combination. I added some ginger, and now I'm going to add my scallions. There we go. You can see it's so fast, you don't want to, and that's all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to add my broccolini. And I'm only adding broccolini because I have it at hand. But look at how beautiful that looks, you guys. Isn't that just a beauty? Oh my goodness. This is what we're having. And of course, to accompany this, I made some coconut rice, which of course is my favorite. So let me add my broccolini in here. And I have had my broccolini sitting in cold water. I'm just going to kind of use my hand, try and take all the water out of here. I don't want all this water in my stuff. There you go. So we have a little bit of we'll have a little bit of vegetables in there. And I wanted to use it, so that's why I opted to put it in. We normally don't put this in, but hey, I'm a firm believer in using what you have. And because I've had it, I use it. But, anyway, guys, there you have it. This is what my pepper steak, I guess, I don't know, Lomo Saltado looks like, because this is why what I opted to do with it. And I hope you get this, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. That's mainly because I'm holding the phone. I don't have it mounted on my tripod, so. But doesn't that look just divine? I think it does. Yum. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a blessed day.